Hey guys, what's up? It's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're at CES Unveiled 2026. Let's go inside. We're gonna check out the latest and greatest, really cool and weird tech. So let's go inside and see what we got. Come on. This is Wearphone and it caught my eye right away. Basically it's a mask, but you can put it on, talk to AI and have conversations privately. Even if you're on a meeting and you don't want people around you hearing what you're talking about, or you just want to be private and in your own world, you can put this on, talk to AI, do your meetings in total privacy. What do you guys think? It actually has voice isolation, so nobody around you can hear what you're saying. This will be completely private. Even if you're in your own home and you don't want people hearing what you're talking about or in your private meetings, just put this bad boy on. Now, if you are too busy to cook or you're just not a Gordon Ramsay, you should get the Nosh. This is a really cool, it is an AI cooking robot that is a chef in your house. On the app, you can go and select what recipe you want to create, and then there's all these little slots and it tells you what ingredients to put in what slot. There's also an area for water, oil, all of the spices, and then it cooks the delicious meal for you. It also has a camera in it to make sure that nothing's burning, everything's going as planned, and then you will have a beautiful, delicious dinner prepared for you whenever you want. So this is something I could definitely have in my home. It is called Framing. So we are going to tell this frame exactly what we want in the picture. It's going to use AI to make whatever I want. All right, let's go. How do I initiate it?
All you do is tap here on the mat. You'll see a red light and you're ready to record. Go ahead.
Create for me the most beautiful, picturesque view of Croatia and add some soccer elements into it.
They won't roll over, but you get into next year.
That's pretty awesome.
I want to save that. Okay, this is better than I actually expected. This looks absolutely stunning. It is perfect. We have Dubrovnik behind us with our little Croatian soccer vibes and scarves. This is perfect. I need to take this home with me. I'm getting this.
You can speak to text and create an image.
So behind me we have the Pavo for all the Pilates princesses out there who do not have a reformer at their house because it's huge and bulky. Yeah, I don't have space for that too, but I want a reformer Pilates, so you can get the Pavo and it folds up. You can take it around your house, bring it out wherever you want, but it has AI integrated into it, which is really cool and helpful because you can do Pilates at home, watch an instructor, and it actually will know if you're going too fast, too slow, where you're putting pressure on the mat, which is so helpful for everyone who wants to do reformer Pilates at home. Now, this might be the cutest thing ever. This is a pet phone where you can actually call your pet and your pet can call you too. So if you train your dog, like this little cutie, to jump 3 times, he will call you, and then you can pick up the phone, see what he's seeing through the camera, and then you can also call the pet too. Now you can track the wellness of your pet, you can track the location, everything from the calories, the distance it explored, and you can also play music for your pet remotely. I think I need to buy a puppy so that I can get this and have this whole thing set up. This is so cute. So these little companions have cameras in them. They'll go around your house and detect your emotions and make you feel better. So if it detects that you're sad, not having a good day, it's gonna play some pump up music for you, play some videos on the screen right here. And if you're having a great day and you're celebrating, it's gonna celebrate with you. Advice is for anyone who has allergies. It is going to be a savior. Basically, when you're at a restaurant, we know it can be a little stressful because you don't know if there's cross-contamination of anything. You take a little sample of your food and you actually put it inside this device. It's going to check if there's any traces of nuts, gluten, anything that you're allergic to, so that you can eat your food with a peace of mind. We're going to go skiing indoors now. Wish me luck.
To have it.
Oh, okay. Okay, this was actually fun, and I low-key got the hang of it pretty quickly, even though I was a little scared at first, but it was overall really fun. Okay guys, this is the Halo mirror. As you can see, we have all of our health data. So if you wear an Apple Watch or a ring, any of that, you can wake up in the morning, check out the Halo mirror, and all of your activity scores, your Halo score, sleep score will be right here in this mirror. Okay, last year I posted about this, and I want to show you guys again. This is baby Fufu. Look at these things. And now these little guys, if you put your finger in his mouth, it actually bites you. You can just attach them to anything in your house. I think we have to put it on my purse now. It actually has pretty tight arms, so it has a tight little grab. Guys, here she is. Her head turns around and looks at me. Pretty cute, if you ask me. Who needs a Labubu when you got this cutie? That head actually turns and it holds on for dear life, so he's not gonna fall. Stop, this is cute. CES Unveiled is always such a fun time. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite tech was that I just showed you. And I'm so excited to bring you guys along for the rest of the week. This is only day 0, guys. We have a full week ahead of us, so stay tuned. Make sure to sub to the channel. Check out my TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, everywhere for all the coolest and weirdest tech innovations. Bye!